Morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about food spoilage. It's a topic in food and beverage production, and in this topic we are going to define terms. We are going to define food and beverage spoilage. What do we mean when we say food spoilage? It is the process in which food deteriorates to the point it is not fit for human consumption. We have types of food spoilages, that is physical, chemical, and microbial. In physical food spoilage, we can see food gaining moisture, or sometimes it loses its moisture. And then we have chemical food spoilage. In chemical food spoilage, we can see oxidation taking place, that is browning of fruits and vegetables. For example, an apple, when you expose an apple to air, it starts browning. In microbial food spoilage, we have bacteria, yeast, and moths acting on the food. We have causes of food spoilage. We have insect damage, physical injuries, and then enzymatic degradation and microbial activity. These are the images showing how food has been spoiled. For example, in the first picture we have insect damage. The other one we have physical injuries. Maybe when you are visiting them, you can see them getting injuries. We have browning of a fruit there, and this other image shows a lot of food that have been reacted. You can see molds on bread, you can see molds on these other fruits. In your homestead, you can find somewhere, maybe there is dampness, and when you put a bread, after some days you will find molds growing on the bread. Signs of spoiled food. How can you know that the food is spoiled? Raising air bubbles. Leakages, for example, tomato. When a tomato is damaged, you can see it starts leaking its juices. Then you have bad smell. Another one, change in natural tastes, whereby the food that was sweet becomes bitter, the food becomes sour, the food becomes fermented. And then we have unnatural colors. That is the browning that we saw in chemical food spoilage. And then we have cotton mold growth, especially on bread. We have fit food for human consumption. How is it supposed to be? The food that is fit for human consumption is of good texture. For example, biscuits, apples, and carrots should be crunchy. And then its flavor should be good. It should have its natural taste, the way it is supposed to taste, okay? And the food should be attractive in shape, should not shrink. The color, maybe if the food is supposed to be white, let it be white, not brown. The consistency, if the food is the food should be of the right consistency. Then in nutrition content, for example, the vitamin C in green vegetables and fruits is easily damaged. So ensure the food is eaten fresh so that for you to get the vitamin C. In our next lesson, we will do food poisoning. And this marks the end of our lesson today. See you next time. Bye.